Take a look at this property, which was just recently renovated. We're still waiting for the cleaners to come through to get rid of some of this stuff. And then the stagers will come through sometime next week, and then we will put this property on the market. So let me take you really quickly through the property. They put in a new kitchen, quartz countertops, backsplash, a pantry in here, separate entrance to the basement, all new doors, all new trim. If you take a look at the washroom here, you've got new vanity, mirror, a new shower, and then over here we put in a new washer dryer. So the question is, why bother renovating if you're going to be selling the property? Now in this case, this happens to be an investment property for our client, and they would be yielding a fair chunk of capital gains when they sell. So renovating this property actually gives them a higher return on their investment, because they could actually force the appreciation of the property. So in this case, they spent about $100,000 in renovations, but the value is actually lifted by well over $100,000 in renovation and in the asset value. Also, the $100,000, assuming our client is in a 50% tax bracket, ends up becoming a write-off. So definitely a good ROI on this investment. For more tips, who you work with matters.